I teamed up with Chris Heckman to create the most in-depth, step-by-step e-commerce course out there. We've all seen the full course videos, claiming that everything you need to be successful in e-commerce is in this 30 to 45-minute video. But in reality, you still feel lost and have tons of questions. Chris and I decided that this trend needs to stop. So we made a 20+ hour course available to you for free right here on YouTube. Chris and I have been running Shopify stores for over a combined 10 years and have managed to start 8 different brands and scaled them to over 7 figures in their first 12 months. Now, our course is made up of 10 total modules where we will be focusing on mindset, finding a niche, creating designs, setting up a Shopify store, and even showing you the ads that we use to drive traffic to our very own stores. We actually created a brand new store so that you can see every step that we go through to take an idea all the way to the finish line. Over the last 6 months, I actually documented how I took a brand new store from 0 sales to actually making over $100,000 in pure profit. Chris and I shared the exact strategies that we used to make that much profit in our course. So if you've been looking for a sign from the universe to take the leap and start your own e-commerce print-on-demand business, then this is it. I've linked the video to the course right here so that you can check it out. And if you're looking to go module by module and want to be able to come back to the material time and time again, then please join our free school community that is linked in the description below. We already have over 1,700 highly motivated individuals that are networking and asking us questions every day to get their stores off the ground to scaling. Now, it probably sounds too good to be true. Am I right? Why are we giving this course away for free? Well, it isn't too good to be true because there's absolutely no catch. We simply wanted to create this course because we've seen the misinformation that's out there. In fact, that's why we wanted to start our YouTube channels in the first place. Not to become the next big viral name, but to be as transparent as we can in the area that we've been working in for over 10 years combined. We hope that you check out our course as well as join our free school community and take the steps to start living your dreams. Thanks for watching.